How's it going, everyone? The Mighty Quinn here. I'm excited right now. Korean corn dogs, original hot Cheeto, sweet potato with some kind of glaze on it and cinnamon. This is my second time having these on my channel. I've desperately been wanting to get these. I finally got them again. I'm not even going to waste any time. Let's see. I'm going to start with the original. Just beautiful. Beautiful. I was a little nervous when I got these and I smelled them because they smelled like a regular corn dog. And if you've been following me for some years now, you know that I despise corn dogs. Absolutely hate them. But Korean corn dogs, I absolutely love. Tried them on the first time on this channel and was obsessed ever since. I apologize for the background noise. If you can hear it, I'm pretty close to the main street. Oh, all of these are half cheese, half beef dog. Oh, goodness. Just exactly what I needed. It took me a while to get home after getting these, so they had kind of cooled down a bit. It wasn't cold, but like lukewarm. And I had to put them in a microwave, and that seemed to have worked. Had to bring these babies back to life because they're perfect when they're hot. Mm. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. I will say, these take a long time to chew. I'm pretty hungry. I don't know if I'm going to finish all of these. Most likely not. These things are huge. I will eat this one though. Last time I got these, it was just regular potatoes on there. But like I said, this one has sweet potato. So don't see a huge difference in taste once trying it, but we'll see. When I got these, the cashier, excuse me, When I had got these, cashier. I was about to say cashew. The cashew, the cash, the cashier asked me, "Are you feeding your family tonight?" I was like, "No, these are for me." hmm That's what I'm talking about. This one kind of looks like a sweet potato souffle, which is why I'm trying this second because it's eyeing me and I'm eyeing it. We're eyeing each other. Look at that. My goodness. That's hefty. It feels heavy too. Oh my God. It smells like sweet potato pie. Oh my goodness. That's exactly like eating a sweet potato pie. This is my favorite. I don't care how good the other two might taste. This is my favorite. That's stupid good. I thought I was going to get full off two. Really not the case right now. I'm actually tired of chewing. Like my jaw is, it's starting to fight back, fight me. Like it's saying, okay, dude, that's enough. I know what I need. Something to drink. Be right back. Okay, just had something to drink. Feeling a little rejuvenated. Let's keep at it. I know I said I was rejuvenated, and I thought I was, but my jaw is really starting to tire out. It is so good, but it's so much chewing. Okay, I'm tapping out. My jaw is it's really giving out on me. There's no way. I can barely finish this one. There's no way I can even do the other two. So, I'm sorry about that. You didn't see me finish all of these. But I am happy to have these again. It's been too long since I've had these on my channel. Too long since I've had these in general. And they're everything that I remember. Except this one with the sweet potato instead of, excuse me, with the sweet potato instead of the regular potatoes. Kind of prefer this one. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.